4,514 days with no lost time accidents. That's very, very successful for MTM. If you have a safe plant, an organized plant, you're producing a much better part, which in return, it provides the customer with a better part. The amount of employees we have at MTM is 180 employees. Back when I started here 6 years ago, we had 70 employees. We've grown considerably over the last 6 years. We've not let the barriers down when it comes to safety. Safety committee was handed off to me. We have 8 separate people on the safety committee. We meet monthly, and we all have separate tasks that we do throughout the company. We have 2 ankle sprains, a few cuts, but in the end we have no lost time accidents, which is the key.
At Manitowoc Tool Manufacturing, the environment is very clean, well lit, and safe. We have an excellent safety record. Not only that, it is climate controlled, so it's sunny and 68 every day.
Well, it's air conditioned for 2 reasons. One, anytime you produce a metal stamping, you want to make sure you provide the customer with a clean, non-rusted part. Secondly, you want to make sure that you keep the employees happy. And when you have an air-conditioned facility, it certainly makes people's moods a lot easier and better. We run the 5S committee as well, and we've done a lot of changes in the 6 years. Things are progressing well, but we aren't done. As you can see, we're putting an addition on. I've been my 4th edition since I've been here. I go through every orientation that we bring every employee through, and the people that we work with here are probably one of the most friendliest people, and I can honestly tell you that the place is a great place to work, clean work environment.